I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot of your work so you can turn it in to Miss Camilla for credit. So first of all, I'm going to complete the assignment, rotate it. Rotate it's going to be my example for this project. So I'm going to simply click and find where can I rotate my box, my red box, so that it will fit inside the orange outline. And you have to pick which object or which arrows will rotate it the way I want it to be rotated. This arrow will not rotate it correct. This arrow here will not rotate it correct. So I have to rotate my screen to find the arrow that I need to rotate my box correctly. And can you see it right here up top? It's kind of hidden. And there I can now rotate it to fit in the box. And my assignment is complete. I can turn this into Miss Camilla. So to turn this in, on the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, you're going to click the Windows icon. And you're going to find the tool called Snipping tool. This tool allows you to take a picture of your screen. So you're going to click New, and you're going to simply draw a box around your screen, which will open up a window with the picture saved. So I need to be able to save this picture somewhere so that I do not lose it. So I'm going to click File, Save As. I'm going to name it my last name. And since this project is rotated, I'm going to call it Rotated. You can name it whatever the project is. I'm going to hit. It's going to save to the desktop of my computer because that's where I told it to save. Now in Google Classroom, I need to upload it to Google Classroom. In Google Classroom, open Google Classroom. After you open Google Classroom, find the project that you or the assignment, so complete the starter lessons. Now, I can't show you in Google Classroom how to turn in an assignment because I have a login as a teacher, not as a student, but I can give you a document that's going to help you and show you some examples. So find the assignment and open it up. On the right-hand side, you're going to see your work. Under your work, you should see an Add File button. You're going to click that button right here. It's going to be Add File. And you're going to add file or upload file from this device. Upload file from this device. You're going to select Desktop, find your file, and upload. When you upload all your files for this assignment, please click Turn In. If you have any questions, please ask Ms. Camilla.